cabbage, eggs, and some beautiful Chinese spices. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is Chinese cabbage. This is what I'm talking about, also known as Napa cabbage. Has many other names like celery cabbage and stuff like that. So nice firm cabbage. It's all about this. It's all about the white stuff to me. That's what I really love. Anyway, that's what we're using. So in the center there, I've got half of that cabbage. So that's 500 grams of the Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage, cut nice and chunky. I've got 5 eggs there. I've got 1 cup of onions. I've got a big tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons even, of chopped or sliced garlic. Soy sauce. This is a thick, dark soy. You can use light if you want. There's about 3 tablespoons there. There's 2 teaspoons in the middle there of fish sauce, very salty. Oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons. I've got just under a cup of green onions, spring onions, or scallions, whatever you call them, cut nice and chunky. And this is chili. Now it looks like a lot, but it's actually not that hot. It's got a little kick to it, but nothing too crazy. You can adjust that if you want. Let's get moving. Wok, pan, skillet, something like that. In there I've got some sunflower oil. I've got 3 tablespoons. Heat's on high. We're going to drop in 1 cup of onion. Couple of tablespoons of the garlic. If you want, you could add ginger to this, but I think just garlic for me is good. If you're going to add ginger, get it in now as well. Straight away we're going to go in with the cabbage, cut nice and chunky, and we're going to stir fry this around for about 4 minutes on a high heat. So that's around 4 minutes on a high heat. You can see that it's reducing down just a little bit. Let's drop in that chili now. And like I say, it looks like a load there. Well, it is, but it's not crazy hot. Now, if you don't want to add chili, you could just maybe put some bell pepper in there for some color. Let's get in the green onions, chunky cut. Then we're going to go fish sauce, very salty. Be careful always with fish sauce. We've got our oyster sauce here. And we've got our dark, syrupy soy. You can use light if you want. Okay, next up we're going to add our eggs. Now I've beaten my eggs, in they go. Next up, nice big pinch or 2 of black pepper. No salt. I'm not going to add salt because we've got oyster sauce, salty. Fish sauce, very salty. And soy, all salty. About another 3 minutes. Keep it moving all the time here. We've done it. And off goes the heat. 1 more little touch, sesame oil. A nice, beautiful, nutty flavor you're going to get on there. Mix that in, ready to serve. Okay, and there you go, steaming hot eggs, cabbage with some beautiful Asian Chinese spices. Hope you enjoyed that. Nice, quick, easy. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.